Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to BNB Tech Solutions, your go-to place for all things tech. Today, we have an exciting video for you. We'll be exploring the amazing world of IT fundamentals. So, whether you're 10 years old, changing careers, or just curious about technology, buckle up and let's dive into the world of information technology together. Information technology, or IT, sounds fancy, right? But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. IT is all about using computers, software, and networks to store, process, and share information. And guess what? It's an ever-evolving field with awesome new technologies and innovations popping up all the time. Let's get to know our computer buddies. Computers have three main components. Hardware, the physical stuff, like the processor, memory, and storage. Software, the magical programs and applications that run on a computer, like the operating system and office software. Peripherals, cool external devices that connect to the computer, such as a keyboard, mouse, and printer. Easy peasy, right? Ready to connect. Let's talk about networking. Local Area Network, LAN, a cozy little network that connects devices in a small area, like your home or office. Wide Area Network, WAN, a huge network that covers a large area and connects multiple LANs, like the incredible internet. Routers, these nifty devices direct data between networks, like traffic cops for your data. Switches, similar to routers, but they direct data within a network. Wi-Fi, awesome wireless technology that lets devices connect to a network without cables. Bye-bye, tangled wires. Safety first. Let's learn some cybersecurity basics. Antivirus, superhero software that protects your computer from viruses and malware. Firewall, a digital fortress that blocks unauthorized access to your computer or network. Passwords, mighty, unique passwords are essential for guarding your accounts and personal info. Be a password wizard. Updates. Keep your software and operating system updated to shield against security vulnerabilities. Stay ahead of the game. That's a wrap for our IT fundamentals adventure. We hope this video got you pumped up to dive deeper into the world of information technology. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to BNB Tech Solutions for more thrilling tech content. Good luck and happy learning.